You are drifting in a plastic bag, suddenly plunging from the surface into a deep, alien landscape of moving water. Viewed from the living room, you appear as a slow-moving icon of grace. Yet, across the glass, you are navigating a world of shifting pH levels and invisible chemical waste. Making it in this artificial environment depends on your caretaker's ability to replicate the slow-moving, heavily vegetated waters of the Amazon River basin. Success in this tank depends on how precisely the environment matches the specialized requirements of your anatomical design. Your first hurdle is your shape. As a freshwater angelfish, your body is laterally compressed, extremely thin from side to side, but exceptionally tall from top to bottom. You evolved this way to slip effortlessly through dense aquatic plants. This diagram shows your scale, reaching 8 inches tall. Accommodating that vertical growth requires the height of a 55-gallon tank. Placed in a smaller box, your fins are forced to bend and crumple against the glass, causing permanent stunting and physiological stress. Supporting that large physical mass also requires strict and visible parameters. Your water temperature must hold steady between 76 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, with zero tolerance for toxic ammonia or nitrate. A tall 55-gallon tank provides the baseline water volume and vertical clearance required to keep your biological systems functioning. Beyond the sheer height of your body, those long, sail-like fins present an entirely different challenge. They are specifically adapted for slow-moving rivers, leaving you poorly equipped to fight strong currents. This illustrates the danger of a high-output filter. Turbulent flow acts like an endless treadmill, causing rapid exhaustion. The solution is softening the movement. By diffusing the intake and using tall Amazon sword plants to break up the current, you stabilize effortlessly. Maintaining those large fins also requires heavy fuel. You need a diet of high-quality cichlid pellets, supplemented with frozen proteins like bloodworms, to maintain your structural integrity and color. Balancing gentle water flow with high-protein intake is what determines the difference between a thriving fish and physical deterioration. While you appear graceful, your cichlid lineage makes you something else entirely, a highly capable, aggressive ambush predator. Look at the diameter of your mouth in this diagram. If another fish in the tank is small enough to fit inside that circle, you will treat it as a food source. Your biological allies are species that avoid your hunting path or are too large to be swallowed. Bottom dwellers like Corydoras and bristlenose plecos occupy a different zone of the tank, keeping them safe. Your primary enemies are fin nippers. Species like tiger barbs will exploit your slow cruising speed and target your trailing fins, causing constant injury and infection. A peaceful community tank is a calculated balance of size and speed, where only correctly matched species can coexist. When water chemistry and social structure align with your anatomy, you reach your peak state. Your vertical stripes deepen in color. You confidently claim your territory, and you begin to recognize the human who brings your food. In a healthy environment, you may reach the ultimate milestone, forming a pair, cleaning a vertical surface, and aggressively guarding your eggs. Back on the outside of the glass, the caretaker's role is defined by a constant, unwavering respect for your specialized predatory biology. Keeping these fish healthy means scientifically engineering a precise slice of the Amazon River inside a home aquarium. To find the gear recommendations and water chemistry breakdowns needed to build that environment, read the full Angelfish guide on TankZen.